Welcome to Stoicism of Mind, where we unlock ancient wisdom to master modern challenges. What if I told you that the thing keeping you from reaching your full potential is sitting in your pocket right now? The endless cycle of pleasure and regret, the mind-numbing escape, the silent addiction. It's stealing your focus, your drive, and your greatness. But what if you could break free? What if you could master yourself? The ancient Stoics knew the key to self-control, and today, I'm going to show you how to overcome this destructive habit and reclaim your life. Why porn is destroying your potential. The problem isn't just watching explicit content, it's what it does to your mind. Every time you indulge, your brain gets flooded with dopamine, the pleasure chemical. But here's the catch. Over time, it dulls your ability to enjoy real-life experiences. You become desensitized. Your motivation drops. Your confidence erodes. Your brain rewires itself to crave instant gratification, making it harder to focus, set goals, or find joy in simple things. Relationships suffer, productivity declines, and before you know it, you feel stuck in a loop of craving and regret. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Right now, your mind is controlled by impulse, by habit. But here's the truth. Every time you give in, you reinforce the chains that hold you back. If you don't take control, who will? The first step to mastery is awareness. Recognize the cost of this habit. See it for what it is, not harmless entertainment, but a thief robbing you of your focus, your energy, and your future. The choice is yours. Remain a slave to impulse or rise above it and reclaim your power. Solution: self-mastery through discipline. The Stoics taught that mastery over oneself is the key to true freedom. So, how do you regain control? Practice mindfulness. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Become aware of your triggers. When do you feel the urge? What emotions drive you to seek escape? Observe them, but don't react. Replace weakness with strength. The Stoics believed in the power of action. Instead of passively consuming, create. Read, write, train your body, develop a skill. Every urge resisted is a battle won. Delay gratification. Seneca taught that luxury weakens a man. When the impulse strikes, wait. Give yourself 5 minutes. Then 10. Soon, you'll realize that you are stronger than the urge. The path to greatness. Building a new identity. You are not your past, you are your choices. Every day you have the chance to rewrite your story. Instead of being a slave to fleeting pleasure, become a master of your own fate. Set a higher standard for yourself. Surround yourself with people who push you to be better. Focus on your mission, not distractions. The challenge for you. The road won't be easy, but greatness is never found in comfort. The Stoics didn't seek pleasure, they sought mastery, discipline, and purpose, and so should you. Now the question is, will you take the first step? Let me know in the comments how you plan to reclaim your focus and discipline. And if this message resonated with you, subscribe, and join me on the path to mastering yourself. Until next time, stay strong, stay disciplined, and remember, the mind is the key to freedom. Best 6 signs. You are reclaiming your power. Your focus has sharpened. You no longer feel distracted by fleeting urges. Your ability to concentrate on tasks and goals has improved, making you more productive and present in daily life. You feel more confident. As you break free from dependency, you regain self-respect. You stand taller, speak with assurance, and no longer let guilt weigh you down. Your motivation has increased. The time once spent on escapism is now channeled into personal growth. You find purpose in your work, fitness, and learning, driving you toward self-improvement. You have more energy. Without constant dopamine crashes, your body and mind feel rejuvenated. You wake up refreshed, ready to take on challenges instead of feeling drained and sluggish. You experience real joy again. The simple pleasures of life, like meaningful conversations, personal achievements, and deep relationships, feel richer and more fulfilling than ever before. You feel in control of your life. Instead of being at the mercy of impulse, you dictate your actions. Mastery is not a destination, it's a daily practice. The path of self-discipline is tough, but the rewards are immeasurable. By applying the wisdom of the Stoics, you can break free from destructive habits and reclaim your strength, your focus, and your purpose. At Stoicism of Mind, we explore how ancient philosophy can shape the modern warrior. Subscribe for more insights, strategies, motivation on your journey to self-mastery. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and remember, your mind is your greatest weapon.